Hello, I hope all y'all are doing well today. Well, a friend of mine called yesterday and one of his hives swarmed and went to the trees, and he found them, and we went over and helped him retrieve them. And this is kind of just a snapshot of what all kind of transpired during that. Not a lot of detail, but you'll get the gist of it. One interesting part is he did have the hive on a set of scales so he could weigh the bees, and I think you'll be surprised at how many bees actually left that hive that we were able to catch. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. Hope you enjoy it. And looky, we got a swarm. We got a clump there, and they're dangling there. And the big one is up there. This is going to be fun. Be nice if we got lucky and could see the queen. You ain't even got no gloves on. I'm gonna take these frames of foundation and slide them in. Oh, ladies. Look at them festooning in here. When they hold on to each other. Look at that. Kinda cool. You got your hive tool in your pocket? I do. And check out these ladies, got their butts in the air fanning. What is called a swarm. And now they're spreading a pheromone to get the other bees to come to the hive. Amazing little bugs. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? We got the ladies back in a box, and that was a lot of bees. So later on, he went back and added another box, a feeder shim, and put some sugar syrup on them. The other box he put, it was just plastic foundation that was heavy waxed, and I'm sure they'll probably draw that out in just a couple or 3 days. Swarms are comb drawing machines. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you like my channel. Please make sure you always take time to enjoy the buzz, and y'all take care. We'll see you later.